2006, we came up with this mount, which was used in conjunction with an old-school pencil camera to capture some of these epic drifting shots. As things progressed, a better design was needed, so we made the three-footed monster, an innovative magnetic mount for your camera, phone, light, flashes, or anything else you can think of. Featuring strong multi-angle magnets, a CNC machined base, and a fully adjustable head. It's the mount you've been looking for. The three-footed monster, the all-weather adjustable strong mount.